telescopes go dark.
But what happens when our best eyes on the sky suddenly close right as this once-in-a-lifetime visitor is putting on its best show? This isn't a hypothetical fear, it's the reality that just unfolded. Major observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope, the JWST, and the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope are the workhorses of modern astronomy. They provided the critical data that shaped our initial understanding of Three-Eye Atlas. But these are incredibly complex machines. In mid-2024, Hubble had to switch to a single-gyro mode, a necessary fix that nonetheless impacts its efficiency and scheduling flexibility. The VLT's four main telescopes periodically go offline for the recoating of their massive 8.2-meter primary mirrors, a delicate process that can take a telescope out of commission for weeks at a time. Even the JWST has faced challenges with its instruments. The transcript suggests several of these key Western telescopes went offline just as the comet's activity was evolving, creating a critical data gap. This isn't just bad luck, it exposes a systemic vulnerability in a highly centralized system, a single point of failure that can blind us at the worst possible moment.